Welcoming James's new bike check. So let's just do this quick. ASAP, Rocky, you feel me? Let me stop. Alright, so I got new Chase D-Hard tires, Colt. Where's the symbol at? Don't know, but we'll find it. 2.25s. I got Shadow Conspiracy pegs. I've got the FBM hub guard. I've got a Primo Miss cassette, which is really dirty right now because, you know, I haven't really put that much, you know, work into it, trying to get it to stay clean and such. I broke the axle on the last one. You can see right here, but that was because of some fat dude. I've got We the People front hub. We the People, I think Supreme. Yeah, it should be. I ride 4 pegs. These are Colt forks, Colt Sec V2 forks, with the Colt Defro V2 frame. I've got a Mission front headset, headset in general. I got a carbon fiber spacer. I've got the Colt stem, of course, with the Colt bars, of course. And, you know, shout outs to Your In and Dot Streets. My boy Muffin Man gave me those. I've got the Colt, a lot of Colt grips, Vans grips, my favorite grips. I've got the Animal bar ends, so you know. Got the Colt seat, of course, has to match all the other Colt parts. Got the Animal wedge seat post. I don't have a whatchamacallit, a bolt inside of the frame seat stay. I've got Mission cranks. I've got the Odyssey PC metal pin pedals, thingamajiggies. I've got the, let's see, Animal, whatchamacallit? Let's put it down, sorry. The Animal sprocket. And these are really dope because it has a hole inside the Missions. Let me see, my chain is Shadow Conspiracy. Let me see what else. Am I missing anything so far? I don't think so. I think that's for everything. Bottom bracket is Animal. So that's that. And shout outs to one of my sponsors, Lethal. They definitely hooked me up. The stick on that one's probably is basically gone. So you know. I think this is about everything. Should be. Whoa. No new parts really coming soon because everything on this bike is basically set, so I'm pretty much done with getting any new parts at all. So if anybody wants any questions, anybody has any questions about it, you can hit me up on Twitter. Mr. James James BMX. I'm always on Twitter, and that's my fit frame that I'm not gonna be riding because I love Colt, and you know they got me nice and happy, so I'm not complaining about it. So that's a Fit S4, and everybody's curious about it, and that's just about it. And this is my bike. Damn, it's kind of shitty. If you want me to do it over again, let me know. But it was definitely James and all this other crap. Can you see me? Good.